Gayatri Mantra, the mantra that inspires our intellect to the righteous path. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Today's story: Open Door, Closed Door. Once, a teacher noticed that some students were standing outside the classroom. He asked them, "Children, why are you standing here?" The students answered, "Sir, the rear gate of the school is still closed, so we can't enter the class." The teacher said, "Children, the front door is open. You do enter from the front door. Don't think of closed doors and have your entry from the front door." All students entered the class and had their seats. Then the teacher started speaking. "Children, our life is also like a classroom. As this classroom has two doors, our lives also have two doors. Whenever we try to go ahead, some difficulties, hindrances come in the way. We can call them closed door. But remember, at the same time, you will experience that some or the other door is always open. Means, whenever we come across difficulties or face problems, definitely there are solutions for them. We can call these solutions open door." Immediately, Ramu got up and said, "Sir, may I ask a question?" The teacher permitted him to ask a question. Ramu asked, "I live in a slum area. My neighbors keep on fighting with each other, and so it is difficult to study in such situations." The teacher inquired, "Do they keep on fighting all the time?" "No, sir. In the morning, they are fast asleep," Ramu replied. The teacher said, "Now you found the solution yourself. You can study in the morning." "Yes, sir. I found an open door. I always used to think about closed door." Same time, Sham got up and complained, "My father is quite poor and can't afford private tuition for me." The teacher recommended, "Dear, can you find some other way out? Any solution?" Sham answered, "I can see one open door. I will stay in school after the regular school time and will study in the premises and will get my queries solved with the help of concerned teachers." The teacher patted him and appreciated his positive approach. Listening to this, Manohar stood up and enthusiastically said, "Because of my sickness, I couldn't study properly." Over that, the teacher asked him whether he had a habit of doing exercises regularly. Manohar said, "No." The teacher advised him to do exercises regularly, so he would be fit and fine. "Yes, sir, I too found an open door," said Manohar. Then the teacher started teaching the children. "Dear children, you have seen that in our class, 3 children had a habit of looking at closed doors. After discussion, they learned to look forward for the best alternatives and find open door. And with such a positive attitude, they could lead a successful life. Children, in life, problems are bound to come. Develop the habit of searching for solutions. Let me tell you one incident of Lal Bahadur Shastri. In his childhood, he was very poor. He didn't have money to buy books. One day, his teacher asked the students to bring books to school. Otherwise, he would not allow them to appear for examinations. In the evening, young Lal Bahadur Shastri went to his friend. borrowed the book and jotted down the whole book in his notebook. Overnight, he did writing work. Next day, the teacher was impressed by his hard work. He looked forward to open door and did progress in life. The one who makes an effort to search for new alternatives definitely goes ahead. Closed doors will stop you marching ahead, and open doors will bring new opportunities to grow in life. So, always develop the vision of looking at an open door. My best wishes are with you. I wish you should prosper in life following such an attitude. This lesson will bring a better change in your life. At every walk of life, search for open doors and a chance to achieve success. Our revered Guruji, Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji, always teaches us, a person should be the master of his life and not a slave of it.